This is week number 5 of the suited deadlift. So there's one heavy session left, and that's next week. So I'm gonna peak on the deadlift. So this is single number 6 for the 535, and I would say that overall the training session, it was just okay. The previous 5 singles, I would say that the lockouts were a little soft, so I really tried to emphasize the lockout here and hold it for time. And fortunately enough, I got this for 11 seconds. So let's take a look.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So that was the last single for the day. And after next week, I'm going to do my taper down for the competition. So thanks again, guys, for watching, and stay tuned for next week.